In the 1950s and 60s, pastel-colored bathroom fixtures were all the rage. Sinks, toilets, and tubs in pink or mint green added a cheerful, stylish touch to the home. Mamie Pink, named after First Lady Mamie Eisenhower, even decorated the White House. As trends shifted to neutral tones, these bold colors faded into history, but not our hearts. A staple of late 1800s bathrooms, pull-chain toilets featured a high-mounted cistern and a chain for flushing. They improved sanitation and were often built from durable porcelain and cast iron. Though replaced by compact low-tank designs, they remain an iconic symbol of early indoor plumbing. During the 1960s and 70s, carpeting in bathrooms was marketed as cozy and luxurious. But it turned out to be a bad idea, soaking up moisture and becoming a breeding ground for mold and mildew. By the 1980s, most homeowners ripped them out for more hygienic flooring options. Tiny hexagonal tiles once covered bathroom floors in intricate, handcrafted patterns. Popular in the early 20th century, these porcelain or ceramic tiles were beautiful and slip-resistant. Though many replaced them with larger, easy-to-install tiles, penny tiles are making a nostalgic comeback today. Elegant and deep, clawfoot tubs were the centerpiece of classic bathrooms. Made from cast iron and coated in porcelain, they allowed for long, luxurious soaks. As bathrooms shrank, these heavy tubs faded, though lighter versions now revive their vintage style. Ever find a small slit in your bathroom wall or medicine cabinet? That was for used razor blades. Blades were dropped into the wall cavity, a convenient but eventually dangerous system. Many older homes still hold decades worth of rusty blades hiding behind the plaster. With their elegant silhouette, pedestal sinks were a space-saving solution in the early 1900s. They offered a clean look but lacked storage, a deal-breaker for modern homes needing countertop space. Today, they're loved again in retro and small-space designs. Before built-ins, medicine cabinets stood alone, often made of wood or metal, with mirrored doors. They were stylish and practical, and sometimes even had secret compartments. Today, they're rare but still prized in vintage-styled restorations. Before built-ins, medicine cabinets stood alone, often made of wood or metal, with mirrored doors. They were stylish and practical, and sometimes even had secret compartments. Today, they're rare but still prized in vintage-styled restorations. Convenient and space-saving, laundry chutes let you send dirty clothes straight to the basement. They were built into bathroom or hallway walls and featured a simple door and shaft. But with layout changes and fire safety concerns, laundry chutes began to disappear, though some new builds are bringing them back.